Have you ever dreamed of a world without power cords, where electricity zips through the air just like Wi-Fi? Well, that future just got a whole lot closer. The United States has just pulled off something straight out of science fiction, beaming electricity over a distance of nearly 8 kilometers, that's over 5 miles with no wires attached. This incredible feat was achieved by DARPA, the agency famous for developing groundbreaking technology. Using an advanced laser system, engineers in the desert transmitted over 800 watts of power. Here's how it works. They converted electricity into a high-powered laser beam, shot it across 8.6 kilometers of open air where a special receiver, basically a high-tech solar panel, caught the light and turned it back into usable electricity. While about 80% of the energy was lost along the way, the 20% efficiency achieved is a new world record for this kind of long-distance power transfer. This proves that sending meaningful amounts of power through the air is no longer just a theory. Before this, the U.S. Navy had managed to send power over 1 kilometer using microwaves. But DARPA's laser experiment absolutely shatters that distance record. They had to overcome major challenges like air turbulence, dust, and humidity, which normally weaken a laser beam. By using precision optics and adaptive alignment, they kept the beam locked on target. So, what does this mean for us? The possibilities are mind-blowing. In the military, it could power remote bases without risky fuel convoys. For civilians, imagine instantly delivering power to disaster zones or remote villages where building power lines is impossible. It could also completely change the game for drones and satellites. Drones could fly indefinitely, getting recharged mid-air from the ground, revolutionizing everything from surveillance to package delivery. We could even see satellites collecting solar energy in space and beaming it down to Earth, providing clean, constant power. Of course, we're not quite there yet. Efficiency needs to improve, and safety is a huge priority. You can't just have high-power laser beams shooting across the sky without strict safety measures, like automatic shutoff systems. Weather like fog or heavy rain can also interfere with laser-based systems. But despite these hurdles, this breakthrough is a giant leap forward. It's a glimpse into a future where energy can be sent wherever it's needed, just like data. The dream of wireless power, first imagined by pioneers like Nikola Tesla over a century ago, is finally becoming a reality. What do you think is the most exciting application for this technology? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look into the future, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on amazing new tech. Thanks for watching.